G'day, BZN Lord here. Welcome back to Editor 101 with Battlezone. Today I'm going to be making an MPI map. Not much like this. There's a lot of people on today.
Where's the power? Getting power.
We're going to be making the exact same map as this, because I can't be bothered making another map. And you guys should already know how to make maps. So as you can see, there's the AI defending its scrap zone. And the recorder is making me lag, which I do not like.
Recycler here.
There's another set of gun towers. Getting closer to the base.
Building complete.
This is a very simple map, it's not that complex. This is Editor 101. And as you can see, the enemies building a lot of their crap. Yeah. Works all good. So, we're going to begin with making our map files, which I already have here. I am going to remove stuff it. You know what? I'm just going to keep everything here. Except for those. So, you're going to start with the normal stuff. I have a little cheat here, so you can make your own maps. It has to be the same dimensions as what you make the map, but just divided by 10. So this is 2560, that will be 256 by 256. So to get that, you need this awesome application called BZN, and make sure this is 24-bit. Put it in there, very laggy, and select each one of these if you want. I'm going to click on one, and I don't need that one, it's this one, and just replace it. Oh, I named it wrong. Oh well. Damn it! There we go. Right, so you have that. Then we go into the CMD, as you know, and we're going to paint it. Mine's already painted, so I don't need this. But I have a ini file. Ignore that crap. That I made. You can pause the video and copy all this if you want. This is just for my map only though. So if you make maps similar to mine, it should work. So what you want to do is just make it like a normal map, except for you're going to need things called spawn points. And these could be found in buildings and number 4. So what you're going to do is, instead of placing your own units, you just place spawn points for multiplayer. And then you just want to place in the AI wherever you want it to be. This map's a little different from the first one I just played. Here are going to be our allies. The other one didn't have allies, this one will. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Only that you need to change from Team 2 to Team 15 so that the AI works, and also that when the second player that comes, he doesn't control the AI. So what you want to do is go into your Battlezone folder, file, open it with Notepad or whatever, and wherever it says Team 2, this says Team 1 because this is a player, you just change that to Team 15. Or you can just do it a faster way using a hex editor, which I do because I'm lazy. Just drag and drop, and then you just can write these exact numbers if you want, because that's pretty much what it does. Only that's changing Team 3 to Team 15. There you go. Team 2, Team 15. I mean to Team 14. There you go. Team 2 to Team 15, and Team 3 to Team 14. Team 3 was a mistake I did. So yeah, you wouldn't need that. So you got allies at Team 14, bad guys at Team 15. Then you want to go into your Lua file I had to remove him, didn't I? Mult stbb dot lure. Why are you lagging so much? I'm gonna copy all this. Paste it. What this does, set the script for the AI, make sure the AI is activated, and this is set their personality. We'll get that into a second. I'm going to copy this for the allies team, which is team 14. Copy, paste, 14, copy, paste. I should have just copied the damn whole thing. Also, this map is BB, not AA. That's for the second one, because we have two AAs, we're going to need two different ones. Okay, now that you have all that, you can save it, get out of it, we won't need it anymore. Now we're going to find an AIP. You can use anyone you like. These are all from other maps if you got them. If not, you can find them in bzone.zfs. I'm going to change this one to BB. And what this virtually does is, you can read all this. This does exactly what it says. Some of them you might not make sense, so ignore it. This is how many tanks you want. Well, it times it. So if you say 1 tank, this will make it 10. Then we have the fun part. So defense, oh wait no. Recycler, scavengers, muffs. Even though I put down like 1,000 recyclers, always set it to 1 so it keeps using them more. Yeah, you'll find out why if you change it to a higher number. Turrets, then you have fighters, and then you have yeah, stuff that. Maybe we should just, I don't know, have some light tanks defending the base, cause why not? Give it about 3 light tanks defending the base. Then we have offensive. We're going to keep it. We don't need that. We'll just change that to light tanks. You can have as many as you want. Yeah, maybe add in a couple of walkers, because walkers are fun. Save. Now that we have all this, get out of that, copy it for the allies. My allies are going to be black dogs, so I'm just going to change all this to B. They're going to have the same personality. Oh well. Maybe not have walkers or light tanks. I'm going to give them bombs instead. So, save that. Get out of it. Also, I lied about lure. We have to go back in here and make sure that everyone is allied with the AI. So, 14. Also, you can keep the... Oh, there's only 3 players on this map. You can make Team 14 a bad guy too, just don't ally them. Simple as that. So, now we have that. Go into here. Start the game. Blue is allies. It's working well. So, all we need to do now is make the netmiss, so we can play it online. So go in here, netmiss, scroll to the very bottom. I already have it here. So what you want is you want the Battlezone file, followed by the deaths, minimum players, maximum players, what type of vehicle set. You can make your own custom one if you want, but you need to learn how to do that. MPI, and the name of it. This one's number 2. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we just go into Battlezone, fight others, go in here. Oh, are you kidding me? Stop doing that. Make a game. Go here, play it. And it works.
Where's the power? Getting power.
Only that this one's a bit different to the first one I showed you, because I made this one a little bit quicker. Yeah, there's no gun towers here. There's gun towers down there though.
Deploying.
Should be gun towers down here. Whoops! But yeah, the AI works perfectly and everything works well. So just follow those steps. You can, of course, do other stuff like make it Chinese instead of the Russians, or add more bases for them. But yeah, the more if you're going to give them more units, make sure you give them more scrap. I gave them 500, but you can add as much as you want. I want that fighter, and I missed because I'm a bad shot in this lag, and he's just going to keep... Oh, never mind. Guntail got me. But yeah, this is the game.
Recycler
This is how you make MPI.
Construction started.
And this is my awesome cartoon texture. So yeah,
Building complete.
thanks for watching. Battlezone Lord out. Hello, Battlezone Lord here, and there is one thing I forgot to mention is what is the DES file and how to make it, and also the map. So go into here, and I made the DES file earlier, but the way you make it is just make a TXT and just name it DES, like everything else we've done. So you go here, and all the DES is just 4 down and a few characters across, more than this. So you just write the information description of your thing, base map, and then to make the little map icon, go shell map here, just copy and paste that, and then you launch the game, go out of editor mode, go out of the game, and it should have just loaded down here. There we go. So you just cut, paste that into your add-on, because if it's not in your add-on it doesn't read it, and I already had one, and there we go. So once we go back into multiplayer, you can now see your map and the description. So yeah, have fun with that. Battlezone Lord out.